So let's go over what's included in your Modern Glass craft kit. We have your soldering board, an apron, an oven mitt, a soldering iron, 2 sticks of solder, and a pair of vinyl gloves. Your glass wrapped. Oops, where am I? You would have received a jump ring, tiny hoop. We also have a wooden fid, which is our burnishing tool, 2 strips of copper foil tape, a cool pair of safety glasses, a package of steel wool, and a microfiber cloth. Inside your MGCK liquids bag, you'll find a bottle of Kwik Clean, which is our cleaning solution, copper patina, Flux, black patina, and 2 application brushes, and also a tin of wax.